Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab sticks at home. Begin by preparing fresh white fish and reducing moisture with a clean towel. Next, pulse fish to a smooth paste, then knead in starch, egg white, and seasoning until elastic. Shape the paste into logs, wrap tightly, and steam until firm. Chill before slicing thinly against the grain for best texture and ease. Serve with mayo or dipping sauce. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Keep the fish and bowl cold, and measure starch and seasonings accurately for consistent texture. Use a food processor for an even paste, then transfer to a bowl and knead until elastic. Wrap the shaped paste tightly to prevent air pockets. Steam gently to set the structure, then cool fully before slicing for neat pieces. After kneading, portion the paste and form tight logs to avoid gaps when steaming. Steam at a gentle simmer so the center cooks evenly without becoming rubbery. Once firm, cool the logs in an ice bath to stop cooking and stabilize texture. Refrigerate or chill completely before slicing thinly against the grain to mimic store-bought crab sticks. Serve on salads, in sushi, or with dipping sauces for a fresh homemade touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.